I thought I'd do just a quick video of my new to me Bang & Olufsen television. It is a Beovision 11 46-inch model, and I picked this up on eBay about 2 weeks ago for the grand total of £146. The seller also then offered me the Beolab 2 subwoofer, and I've got the Beolab 3 speakers as well, all paired in over PowerLink connections. The much older Beocord 8000, which I've had for many years, is also actually paired into the unit via RCA connectors. So we can power the TV on here. It's got the Beo remote one. So we'll put Fire TV on, and it should just start booting it up itself. It was one of the first smart TVs, I believe, and it is actually a 3D set. So I am maybe considering getting a 3D Blu-ray player, and the glasses, even though it is a bit of a dead technology. But this is what we do. We've got like Betamax and Video 2000, and there we go, it's coming on. So I've just got a Fire Stick plugged into it at the moment. I think it's that remote. Yeah, you just got your normal YouTube and everything. It is a 1080p set, but it's still a very nice image for the era. It was sold between 2013 and around 2016, this set. But no complaints from me. Absolutely perfect picture. And for what I paid, I just don't think you're going to get better. Definitely not better sound. It's incredible. That's it. So yeah, that's it. Just a quick video.